All right, so today we're going to be talking about pinching, pruning, and deadheading. Now to first start off, deadheading is when you remove the spent flowers off the plant, which can help it reflower later on into the season. Now you want to know which type of plant you're working with because some plants won't actually reflower, they'll just flower that one time. Now pruning and pinching is when the plant hasn't flowered yet. Today we're going to be specifically talking about asters and sedums. Now when you come in to prune a plant, you want to remove at least 1/3 of the height of the plant. This allows for the plant to actually flower later into the season and will prevent the stems from flopping over due to the weight of the flowers. And there are a couple techniques of going about pruning. So first you can either use really large pruning shears. Now this is recommended for your asters since there are a lot of stems that actually come up. It would take a long time to use either hand pruners or just your hands, but it allows you to get kind of a more uniform shape in a timely manner. So for sedums and smaller plants, you can either use just your fingers or a small pair of hand pruners to keep the smaller shape of the plant. So the main thing to know is what type of plant you're working with, as that will help determine whether you actually go ahead and deadhead the plant or if you're just pruning and pinching the plant.